Hello everyone, let us do the review exercise together. The first question says if tan theta equals 4 over 3 and theta is in the third quadrant, find the other 5 trigonometric values of theta. So basically what's given to us, tan of the angle theta is 4 over 3. So we know that tan means opposite over adjacent. So in a given right angle triangle, if one of the acute angle theta given to us, I mean the opposite and the adjacent side given to us, we can find the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse will be the sum of the square of the opposite and the hypotenuse in the square root. That means 4 squared plus 3 squared in the radical. That's going to be 5. You know, 4 squared means 16 and 3 squared is 9. So when you add it, it's going to be 25. So 25 from the square root will be 5. Then we have opposite, and hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent we have. So now we can find sine theta. Sine of the angle theta will be opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite side is 4 and the hypotenuse is 5, but it's negative because by the rule of ASTC, T in the third quadrant, this is the third quadrant because the angle is positioned in third quadrant, it says. So in the third quadrant, only tangent positive, the rest are negative, so sine is negative. And cosine theta means adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent side is given to us 3 and the hypotenuse is 5. Again, it must be negative. And tan is already given to us. And then the other one is cosecant theta, that is the reciprocal of sine. So we have to flip the sign, negative 5 over 4. And sec theta, we need to flip cosine, that's going to be negative 5 over 3. And cotangent theta, it is the reciprocal of tangent. Tangent is 4 over 3, so the reciprocal will be 3 over 4. So these are the 3 trigonometric values, the 5 trigonometric values of the given angle theta. The second question, we are expected to find the unknowns. As you see, the unknowns are x and y. The y is here, the x is, both of them are inscribed angle, obviously. So inscribed angle, the definition says it's an angle formed in the circle. The vertex must be on the circle and it has to be subtended by an arc. So angle x, for example, it is subtended by the arc AB. So how to find arc AB? Again, this arc AB, it subtends the central angle. Here it is, the central angle. The O is the center, obviously. The central angle is 130, so it will be equal. Central angle and the arc which subtends it, they are equal. So this is 130 degree. So x will be half of it because it's inscribed. X is not central angle, it's inscribed angle. So angle x will be, angle x is equal to 130 over 2, that's going to be 65 degrees. And when you see the y, angle y and angle here, this is angle f, or we can say angle EFD, they are equal because both of them are inscribed angle and they are subtended by the same arc. As you see, this angle f, it is inscribed angle subtended by the arc ED, and angle y here, or angle ECD, this angle, also it's an inscribed angle subtended by the same arc. So the two angles are equal. So y is equal to 30 degrees. This is also easier. Okay, the next question, again here, the unknown is x. It's visible, here it is. Again, x is an inscribed angle. It is subtended by the arc here. Let's name this point is as, you can name it any, like you can say it D, it's okay. So PD, half of it will be x. So we need to get that arc first of all. So for our convenient purpose, don't forget that this is a center, O is a center, that means this is a diameter. So let's use another color to make it clear. O is a center. So let's say this upper part of arc, let's say it A, or let's say it, yeah, it's better to say A, and the lower arc here, let's say it B. We know that A plus B is equal to 180 degrees because it's a semicircle, because it is a diameter already. This line is a diameter, means half of a circle is semicircle, that's going to be 180 degrees. We know that, don't forget, we are asked to find x. Angle x means half of the arc A here. Already we denote this one as A, this arc. So x is equal to A over T. over 2, I mean half of it, because it's an inscribed angle. Keep that in your mind. And the other thing, an angle which is formed outside the circle by a tangent line and a secant line here. This angle 40 degree, the 40 degree is the same as, we have to take the difference, outer arc minus the inner arc, B minus A divided by 2. So, you know, the outer minus the inner, then divide by 2. Then to cancel out these two, what am I supposed to do? I can multiply both sides by 2. This one by 2, this side also by 2. If I multiply it, what will happen? These two cut out. So B minus A is equal to 80. And here, don't forget, we have B plus A, or A plus B, or B plus A the same. B plus A is equal to 180. Then, to apply a system of linear equation solving methods, one of the methods is elimination. If I add it, you know, negative A and A will be cancelled, so B plus B will be 2B. So the sum here will be 260. If you divide by 2, so B is equal to 130 degree. The B 130 degree means the A will be 180 minus 130, because A and B together already 180 we said. So A will be 50 degree. That means our X now, we already mentioned what means X, it's half of A. So X is equal to 50 over 2. That's going to be 25 degree. Okay, the next question, here again there are two variables unknown, X and Y. Again, there is a center O here, the center of the circle, that means there is a diameter. If it's a diameter, the upper curve, this one will be a semicircle. This circle or this arc, it subtends or it intercepts an angle, inscribed angle. Here it is, 5y. That means half of it. So 5y is equal to half of 180 degree, which is 90 degree. That means if you divide both sides by y, by 5 I mean, y is equal to 18 degrees. That's y. Okay, if we have the y value, or we already say this angle is 90 degrees, the other two angles together must be 90 degrees. So that means x plus 3y is equal to 90 degrees. We got already the y value, that's 18. So x plus 3 times 18 is equal to 90. So x is equal to 90 minus 54. You know, this, the product of this is 54. So the difference will be 36. That's going to be x. Okay, the next question, it is again to find the unknown, which is x. Here it is. X is inscribed angle. It is obtained by the arc DB. This arc, we need to get this arc. But first of all, if a tangent line and the radius of a circle, they will make an angle, always it is perpendicular, they are 90 degrees. So angle, I mean line AD here, this line is a tangent line and OD is a radius. Therefore, they are perpendicular, obviously. That means it is 90 degrees. And here also it's 90 degrees, because this is also another tangent line. But we know that the figure A, D, O, B, and this one, it's a four-side figure, as you see. It's a polygon which is four-side. So four-side figure, the sum of the interior angle is 360 degrees. So this is 190. 90 and 90 is 180. So the two angles must be together 180. So this angle DOB, it has to be 180 minus 40 degrees. Because these two are 180, so these two must be 180, together 360. So angle O here, this angle DOB, it must be 180 minus 40, that's going to be 140 degrees. So we have the arc now, we got it already, this arc. This arc is 140, it's the same as the central angle here. The central angle is 140, means the arc is also 140. So our angle X is going to be 140 divided by 2, that's going to be 70 degrees. Keep practicing. If you have any other difficulties, let me know. Thank you.